YCF riding brand really cares about growing the motorcycle community. Quality is very, very good. The engineering, the ergonomics, I mean, these things are really well built. The craftsmanship is top-notch, and it comes from a racing family. They've been in the business for a very, very long time, so they know what the customers are looking for. They know what to expect, and they have really high expectations from their product. And when you have that mentality, it really allows you to build a nice bike. And that's why I really am impressed with the bikes and the brand and how they're built and what they have to offer. And I really think it's going to take mini bike riding and pit bike riding to the next level. You know, it's funny, the pit bike category is starting to take off again, and it's great to see. The reason I like it because it gets new people into the motorcycle industry, and that's what it's all about. And you know, that's why I like the YCF. It's definitely user friendly, really turnkey. They make a fantastic product, and I think they're going to really do well in the mini bike category.